Here we go. Campfire in the rain. That's how you do it. Now, hopefully it don't rain super hard. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. You get out here and you just have a little fun. There's no reason I did that. Put some blankets down on the gravel, built a little fire, fished some of this water here. Absolutely caught nothing, but I'm happy.
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah. I always not catch nothing, so.
It's a great thing to do. Highly suggest it. Dang. Fire's going good now. Oh yeah.